Good morning. This is Zachary. We're going to work on another tutorial. Today we're going to look at taking a file, a CSV file, and transforming it into an XML file. So we'll go over here to CSV jobs folder, right click, create standard job, CSV, transform into XML file. Purpose to transform CSV file into XML. Description: use the file input delimited. And file output XML components. So let's go ahead and create a file input delimited. And we're going to go over here and we're going to create a file output XML. Notice what it's saying here. It should have input links and it should have a schema. No schema, and it should have output links. So let's just do this for the moment. And now let's click on the file input. We're going to use this person CSV data file, the row separator, the field separator. We're going to give it a header. Okay. We're going to click on view, give it a unique name, person data. And on this component, this is going to be our output. We'll just go here and we'll call it person file XML. Okay. And we're going to call this person data for our root tag. And we have to go back here and finish the schema. We're going to import the schema. If you remember, we created a schema. We're just going to import it, propagate the changes. Okay. And we're going to sync the columns, and notice the input and the output schemas are the same. Okay. We're going to create a note. Go into the text. Into XML file. Okay. We'll create our text here. A note. We'll click on our sub job. We'll give our sub job a title. XML. Okay. And then we will, if we look here, you see we do not have a person CSV data file.xml. And this is where our output will be. Person CSV data file.xml. Let's run it. Open it up. And here is our CSV data file.xml, or our XML file. We open it up. And as you can see, we have our XML file with the person data. Pretty straightforward. We can also utilize a tag. You say, what do you mean by utilizing a tag? In other words, we can identify an attribute to be used inside of the XML. We just click on Advanced Settings. We click on as attribute. Let's give this a different name. We'll call this a CSV data file with attribute. Everything else remains the same. The schema is the same. The only thing that we've changed is when we look at the component, we've said, hey, let's add an attribute to our XML. And now let's run it. If we open up, you see CSV data file with attribute XML, double click on it, and here's our attribute. That concludes this tutorial on converting a CSV file into an XML file. Thank you.